totally built from granite. Very nice 30cm DTF printer. This is the system with a spinner. Very nice build roller system. This is the special roller, so it doesn't you feed the film very nicely. Never get caught. Okay, open here. You see this is how it prints. As you can see, there's a filter for the white inks on top of the cartridges. This will prevent any blockage of the printer, which means your print head will last much longer. As you can see, everything prints smoothly. Nothing to worry about. The paper get caught. Here you can see there is a heater. This is very important for the DTF print because you need to heat up a bit after the print. Otherwise the ink may run and the film may curl up. And there's a metal ball at the front. After the ball, we go into the auto powder shaker. And this is a spinner for the powder. And you can adjust the speed as well, depends on how fast the print is. Powder will shake down there, drop down on the film. That's the shaker powder. That's powder off. And here is the heater. On the top, there's a hole for you to put the air filter or air purifier. You can open the heating element. You see there's a hole. This heating element is on the top. After that, the film will go to the film picker. This picker will automatically roll, stop and roll, depending on the speed of the printer. Here is all the control for the temperature, the speeds of the shaker, and the speed of the powder spinner. Yeah, so this is one of the best 30cm DTF printer you can get on the market, and a very competitive price.